Plasma gun is a common type of weapon that all factions have in Warhammer 40k. It doesn't matter if you are playing Space Marines or Necrons or even some Craftworlds, you'll face the issue how to paint plasma coils. Here I'll show you how you can fast and easily make your plasma gun look nice on the table. What do we need except a brush and a miniature? Any white color? I've taken corax white. Any blue color? Better be dark blue. I've taken some cheap no-name blue and you can do so. Technical paint? I have Lahmian Medium for such purposes, but you can use only water if you want. And that's all. The first step, you have to paint all plasma coils white. Take your time and apply 3 coats of white to make your plasma coils completely covered. After we painted all coils white, we take your noname or famous one blue paint and dilute it with water or technical paint. That's better. Achieve a light blue color, mixing your blue with white and Lahmian Medium to make it glazing. Now we apply 2 or 3 coats of this glaze to make our coils light blue. Apply a blue color between the coils. Finally, we take your original blue and paint the top of the plasma coils, especially the center part. After everything dries, you'll have a pretty good plasma for your miniature. You can add some glazing blue to make it shine, especially on the borders of your coil. Hope I've helped you to paint your plasma fast. Thank you for watching. Share in comments something about your experience in plasma painting.